Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Review. So today we're reviewing even another LED light setup. You get a power supply, you get a LED controller box with also an app you can download, you get a little controller, and you get the spool. Alright, let's get installing. Actually installing fake clouds as well. So let's show you guys how this turns out. So as you can see, we finished installing our fake clouds. Let's go ahead and turn this on so you can see how it looks. Now I need to buy more so I can finish the entire room, but for now it looks pretty awesome. So we're going to turn off the light here. Now it is daytime, so it's not going to look as cool as if it was night, but still looks really cool. So this is just one of the colors. Now the camera, it's not showing it as nice as it really is. So in person it's much redder. Here's green, and then again it's not showing up like it should. In person it's so much better. Like it's 100 times better in person. I really wish it would show up better. But I mean, white shows up really good on camera. Super happy with this. I love it. Absolutely love it.